0, 1. Let's get started.
Alright, let's get started here. So as you can see, this is the Bricklink Studio. This is the main page where you start off when you first open the app. And these are your most recent builds. As you can see, I've been building a little bit here for all my upcoming builds or past builds. And you can see my pretty face right there. My name is Michael. And we're going to scroll down a little bit. You can start seeing the future builds that Bricklink has in there. Official Lego sets, things that people have built. You can go all over the place. But we're going to stick to actually creating our own build today. So let's get started. We're going to click the Create New button. This brings us to the main page of where we start building everything. This big area in the middle is where we're going to start our build. That's kind of like our building space right there. So let's get started. So over on the left side of the page, we have all of where we start picking up our bricks. This includes we can start going down by brick, brick modify, brick round, shapes. You can scroll through there. You can click on those different options and it'll bring you to different spots of the list down there. But we are going to start off with bricks. So you can scroll up. You know I'm scrolling up. But we're going to start scrolling through the bricks. And once you click on one brick, it's going to bring up all the different colors, the prices, the name of the different colors. Lightest blue, gray. The price is 0.082. You can click on all the different items here, and it brings up on all the different colors that you have in there. You can also click this button to switch the layout of all the bricks over here. If you want it bigger, smaller. And as well, you can go and change what you're looking for. So right now I'm looking by a 1x16 brick. And you type in there, you can type in brick, plate, tile. So I'm going here, I'm going to type in 1x8 plate. And then I'll go and do 1x8 tile. To be honest, this is the best way I go and build everything. I go and just search everything in there and just keep going. I mean, sometimes I guess it gets a little repetitive, but that's how it is. So over on the right side, this is where it shows you all the steps. I mean, we'll go over that in a different video of how to make your steps, but it'll show you the pieces that you start building over there. As soon as you start placing pieces over there, it'll start showing in the whole list right there. And up there is where your colors are that you're using throughout your build, your current colors, and it'll tell you a whole bunch of different things. And here's the list of all the different colors. You can also search them as well by trans, lightish blue, gray, dark gray. It'll tell you if the color is not available, the cheapest color for the selected brick is chosen. It tells you a whole bunch of information over here. All right. So I believe we are going to get started with our build. So usually I think what I do is I go and type in a 32x32 base plate so I can see the normal thing that I'm building with. Technically, I guess you can get rid of it if you already have the base plates in the first place. But we're going from here. And we're placing the base plate. And we're going to start off with building a little bit here. And we're going to grab a 1x16 brick with the dark bluish gray. And you really want to pay attention to when the brick is actually green. If it's green, that means you can click it down. If it shows if it starts coming up like transparent, that means the brick is not working with the position you have it in. And you can also flip it around with your keyboards, the keys, up, down, left, right, flip it around. You can do the whole flip T-flip. So we're putting the one brick down. I clicked it down when it shows it's blue and it shows it's green. That means you're good. So you can also do Control C or Control V. And you can get copy and paste. So I'm going to click copy right here. And we're going to start pasting this around. And here I'm hitting the keys to rotate that brick around. And I'm putting them all down. Yep, there we go. Look, ooh, it's a square. I did it. And then you can see over here, this is where all the pieces start to show up in your list over there. We'll also go into going over the steps in a different video, but you also can delete the bricks or hide them from those two buttons right next to each brick. All right, and now we're going back over here and we're going to look up a 1x4 brick and we're going to do light bluish gray. And you can see where it's not working when it starts becoming transparent. That means it will not let you click it down. And you don't want to have that happen. You want to make sure it shows green, and then once you're done, it shows blue with the highlight around the brick. And here I am just choosing different bricks and rotating them, and I'm clicking them down just on top of those other bricks. And you can also scroll down and try and find different types of bricks. And here I'm going to grab some masonry bricks and put them onto the building. But technically, you just kind of follow these steps around and just make whatever you want. I mean, there's different things you can go into. We can go over that in more difficult items, but you can scroll down and just see all the different types of Lego bricks that there are. There's just many things that you can put in here. It's endless. I mean, every Lego brick that are out there is in the system because it is owned by Lego. So, yep, I'm looking over by a 1x5x2. It'll tell you if there's not a brick, but there's almost everything in there. And look forward to us going and changing different colors and everything in the next video.
0